Hello, friends. Get ready for a dazzling show in the night sky. 2024 is going to be a fantastic year for meteor showers. Those magical moments when shooting stars streak across the darkness. Have you ever wished upon one? Well, get your list ready because this year you'll have plenty of chances. In this video, we're going to take you on a tour of the most amazing meteor showers happening all over the world in 2024. We'll tell you when and where to look, what kind of shooting stars you might see, and even some fun facts about these incredible events. Whether you're a seasoned sky watcher or just starting out, this video will have something for everyone. So find a comfy spot under the stars and get ready for a year full of celestial wonders. Ever wondered what causes those magical shooting stars streaking across the night sky? Well, it's not magic, but it's definitely amazing. Those streaks of light we call meteors are actually caused by tiny pieces of cosmic dust and debris. Imagine you're driving down a dusty road. As your car speeds along, little pebbles hit your windshield and leave tiny streaks. Meteor showers are kind of like that, but on a cosmic scale. In space, comets, which are big icy snowballs, and asteroids, which are rocky space potatoes, are zipping around the sun. As they travel, they leave behind a trail of dust and bits of ice and rock, kind of like a messy eater leaves crumbs behind. Now, when Earth travels around the sun, it sometimes passes through these dusty trails. When those tiny bits of comet or asteroid dust hit our atmosphere at super high speeds, they burn up from friction with the air, creating the bright streaks of light we call meteors. So a meteor shower is really just a bunch of tiny space dust particles putting on a spectacular light show as they burn up in Earth's atmosphere. And the coolest part? These meteor showers happen at predictable times each year because Earth passes through the same dusty trails on its orbit around the sun. It's like having a front row seat to a cosmic fireworks show. Each meteor shower has a radiant point, the spot in the sky from which the meteors appear to originate. The shower is usually named after the constellation where this radiant point is located. Many cultures around the world have traditions of wishing upon a shooting star, believing it can bring good luck or make dreams come true. This timeless tradition speaks to our deep connection with the cosmos and our desire to find meaning in the universe's grand displays. Whether it's a fleeting moment of hope or a silent prayer for the future, the act of wishing upon a star taps into our innate sense of hope and optimism. But why do we associate meteors with wishes? Perhaps it's their fleeting nature, the sudden appearance and disappearance of these celestial visitors. Or maybe it's the sheer beauty of their fiery descent, a reminder of the vast and mysterious universe that surrounds us. Whatever the reason, the act of wishing upon a star is a powerful reminder of our hopes and dreams. It's a way to connect with the universe, to feel a part of something bigger than ourselves, and to believe that our wishes, however small, might just have a chance of coming true. Have you ever wished you could watch fireworks without all the loud noises? Well, meteor showers are like nature's silent fireworks display. They're beautiful, awe-inspiring, and absolutely free. Imagine this. You're lying on a blanket under a clear, dark sky. All around you, tiny streaks of light start to appear, zipping across the sky like fireflies on fast forward. Some are quick flashes, while others leave long, glowing trails behind them. Some are white, others are bright colors like green, yellow, or orange. It's like the whole sky is alive with dancing lights. The best part? Meteor showers happen at different times throughout the year, so there's always a chance to catch a show. Some showers produce just a few meteors per hour, while others can create a dazzling storm of hundreds of shooting stars. Meteor showers aren't just a beautiful sight, they're also a treasure trove of information for scientists. These tiny streaks of light act like cosmic messengers, bringing us clues from the far reaches of our solar system. Think of meteors as space dust, time capsules. They contain bits of comets and asteroids, some of which formed billions of years ago when our solar system was still young. By studying these tiny particles, scientists can learn about the conditions that existed back then, like what kinds of materials were floating around and how hot or cold it was. Each meteor shower has its own unique story to tell. The colors we see depend on the chemical makeup of the dust, revealing the types of elements present. The speed of the meteors can give us clues about where they came from and how fast they were traveling. And sometimes we even find rare meteorites, larger chunks of space rock that survive their fiery journey through the atmosphere and land on Earth. These meteorites are like puzzle pieces that help us understand the building blocks of our solar system. So, the next time you see a meteor shower, remember it's not just a beautiful sight. It's also a window into the past, offering scientists valuable clues about our cosmic origins. It's like having a front-row seat to a scientific experiment that's been unfolding for billions of years. Get your calendars ready, stargazers. Here's a comprehensive list of the major meteor showers you can expect to see in 2024, along with their peak dates, expected rates, and viewing tips. Get ready for one of the most spectacular meteor showers of the year, the Perseids, peaking on August 11th, 13. This celestial light show promises a dazzling display of shooting stars with up to 100 meteors streaking across the sky every hour under ideal conditions. The Perseids are known for their bright, fast meteors, often leaving behind glowing trails that can last for several seconds. These fiery streaks are caused by tiny bits of debris from the comet Swift-Tuttle, which Earth passes through every year in mid-August. To make the most of your Perseid watching experience, head to a location with dark skies away from city lights. Lie back on a blanket or reclining chair. Give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness and be patient. The meteors will appear in bursts throughout the night. Although a bright moon might slightly wash out some fainter meteors in 2024, you'll still have a great chance of seeing plenty of shooting stars. The best viewing time will be after midnight, when the constellation Perseids, where the meteors appear to originate from, rises higher in the sky. Mark your calendars for October 8th and 9th, as the draconid meteor shower is set to grace the night sky. This shower isn't known for being the most plentiful in terms of meteors, but it does offer a unique viewing experience. The draconids are named after the Draco constellation, the dragon, where the meteors appear to originate from. They're caused by Earth passing through the debris trail left behind by Comet 21P/Giacobini-Zinner. While you might not see dozens of meteors every hour, the ones you do catch will be worth the wait. Draconid meteors tend to be slower and more graceful than those of other showers, often leaving long, lingering trails across the sky. The best time to watch the draconids is in the evening, right after nightfall. This is different from most other showers, which are best viewed after midnight. Look towards the northern sky, and if you can find the constellation Draco, you'll be in the right spot. However, even if you can't locate the dragon, you'll still be able to enjoy the show as long as you have a wide view of the sky. This year, the moon won't interfere much with the viewing, so you should have a good chance of spotting these celestial fireworks. The Orionids meteor shower will peak on the nights of October 21st and 22nd, offering a fantastic opportunity to witness nature's own fireworks. These shooting stars are actually tiny bits of dust left behind by the famous Halley's Comet. Expect to see about 10–20 meters per hour during the peak, but under ideal conditions you might even spot up to 50. The Orionids are known for their speed, traveling at about 41 miles per second. Some even leave behind persistent trails, which are glowing streaks that can last for several seconds or even minutes. The best time to watch is after midnight, as that's when the radiant, the point from which the meteors appear to originate, rises higher in the sky. Look towards the constellation Orion, specifically near the bright star Betelgeuse. Mark your calendars for the Leonids meteor shower, peaking on the nights of November 17th and 18th. This shower is known for its fast and bright meteors, sometimes even producing spectacular fireballs that light up the sky. The Leonids get their name from the constellation Leo, the lion, where the meteors appear to radiate from. The source of these meteors is the debris trail left behind by the comet Tempel-Tuttle. In most years, the Leonids produce a modest display of about 10–15 meteors per hour. However, every 33 years or so, they can unleash a meteor storm with hundreds of shooting stars per hour. While 2024 isn't predicted to be a storm year, you can still expect to see some impressive meteors. To see the Leonids, head outside after midnight and look towards the east. The constellation Leo will be rising in the sky, and the meteors will appear to radiate from this point. Prepare to be amazed by the Geminids, one of the most dazzling meteor showers of the year. Peaking on the nights of December 13th and 14th, this celestial spectacle promises a breathtaking display of shooting stars, with a potential to see over 100 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. The Geminids are unique for their vibrant colors. You might see streaks of white, yellow, blue, green, or even red as these tiny space rocks burn up in Earth's atmosphere. They also tend to be slower and brighter than other meteor showers, making them easier to spot. One of the great things about the Geminids is that they're visible for a longer period than most other showers. You can start watching for meteors as early as 9 or 10 p.m., with the peak typically occurring after midnight. Although a bright moon might slightly wash out some fainter meteors in 2024, you'll still have a great chance of seeing plenty of shooting stars. The Geminids radiate from the constellation Gemini, but don't worry about finding it exactly. Just look up and enjoy the show. Bundle up and get ready for a winter sky spectacle. The Ursids meteor shower, active from December 17th to 26th, is set to peak on the nights of December 21st and 22nd. While this shower may not be as prolific as its more famous cousin, the Geminids, it still promises a delightful display of shooting stars. Under ideal conditions, you can expect to see around 5–10 meteors per hour at the peak. While that might not sound like a lot, the Ursids are known for occasionally producing outbursts with much higher rates. So, keep your eyes peeled. These meteors will appear to radiate from the constellation Ursa Minor, also known as the Little Dipper. To find it, locate the North Star, Polaris, which marks the end of the Little Dipper's handle. The meteors will seem to fan out from this area. The best time to watch the Ursids is in the hours after midnight and before dawn, when the radiant is highest in the sky. The moon will be a waxing crescent during the peak, so its light shouldn't interfere too much with your viewing. Be patient and scan the entire sky, as Ursid meteors can appear anywhere, not just near the radiant. With a little luck and some perseverance, you'll be rewarded with a beautiful display of shooting stars. How to make the most of your meteor shower experience? Find a dark location. Light pollution can significantly reduce the number of meteors you can see. Head to a rural area, park, or any location away from city lights for the best viewing experience. Give your eyes time to adjust. Allow at least 20 minutes for your eyes to adapt to the darkness. Avoid looking at your phone or other bright lights during this time. Get comfortable. Bring a blanket or reclining chair so you can lie back and look up at the sky comfortably. Dress warmly. Even in summer, nights can get chilly, so dress in layers. No telescope needed. Meteor showers are best seen with the naked eye. Binoculars can be helpful for observing details in persistent trails. In addition to meteor showers, 2024 promises other exciting celestial events. Eclipses. There will be both solar and lunar eclipses throughout the year. Planetary conjunctions. When planets appear close together in the sky. Comet apparitions. Some comets may become visible with binoculars or telescopes. Be sure to check astronomy websites and resources for updates on these and other celestial events happening throughout the year. Let's make 2024 a year of celestial exploration. With a little planning and preparation, you can make 2024 a year filled with unforgettable celestial experiences. Whether you're wishing upon a shooting star or simply marveling at the beauty of the night sky, meteor showers are a reminder of the vastness and wonder of our universe. So, mark your calendars, grab your stargazing gear, and get ready for a year of cosmic adventure. If you like this video, please like, comment and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.